हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू।
Start. The development of a nation and society goes hand in hand with the development of the individual, full stop. When the society and the nation develops, comma, it has a direct impact upon the development of an individual and vice versa, full stop. With the coming of the 21st century, comma, the entire world is witnessing a period of intense transformation in all areas such as education, global trade, economy, technology or society, full stop. The COVID-19 has also challenged the individual to cope up with its impacts, full stop. Thus, for such times when transformation is taking place quickly, a new and upgraded skill set is required for the students so that they are able to cope up with changing realities, to face challenges in real life, leading to their comprehensive progress, full stop. The new 21st century skills would enable the students to contribute to the progress of the society and the nation, full stop, para. Empowering our students with these skills is also a challenging task, full stop. The government has adopted and initiated several innovative policies and practices so that the younger generation of students can be empowered with 21st century skills, full stop, para. The new education policy is a step forward in providing 21st century skills to the students, full stop. The Prime Minister has also mentioned the importance of inculcating 21st century skills in the students in his Man Ki Baat program, full stop. He has focused upon critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, curiosity and communication for the students so that they can be ready for facing the challenges of 21st century, full stop, para. The term 21st century skills refer to a broad set of knowledge, skills, work habits, and character traits that are believed by educators, reformers, college faculties, employers, etc. to be critically important for success in today's world, full stop. Simply, these skills are those skills that are required by an individual to face the challenges of the 21st century world, which is characterized by a digitally transforming, globally active, collaborative, forward moving, creatively progressing and quickly adopting world, full stop. The students of 21st century will require skills such as critical thinking and problem solving, collaboration and leadership, agility and adaptability, initiative and entrepreneurialism, oral and written communication, information analysis, etc. On the basis of historical development of 21st century skills, these can be broadly divided into learning skills, life skills and literacy skills, full stop, para. Learning skills, skills required for the acquisition of new knowledge, full stop. Learning skills involve critical thinking, creativity and innovation, collaboration and communication, full stop, para. Literacy skills, skills that help in creating and gaining new knowledge through reading, media and digital sources, full stop. Literacy skills involve information literacy, media literacy, and technology literacy full stop para. Life skills required for successfully leading and living everyday life full stop. Life skills include flexibility and adaptability, comma, leadership and responsibility, comma, initiative and self direction, comma, social and cross cultural interaction full stop para. Critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking is the capability of an individual to objectively analyze a piece of information without any biases full stop. It involves fairness and open-mindedness, comma, being informed and active, comma, being independent, comma, willingness to question and to entertain doubts and recognizing and assessing values, comma, peer pressure and media influences full stop para. Problem solving involves identifying relevant information by filtering out irrelevant data, comma, and relating the set of information with another to solve the current problem on the basis of previous experience full stop. These skills enables the students to analyze and evaluate various perspectives and interpret available information to reach conclusions full stop. It enables the student to solve real world problems by exploring and observing their surroundings carefully full stop para. Creativity and innovation. Creativity refers to new ways of seeing or doing things by generating new ideas in bracket fluency bracket out, comma, flexibility in bracket shifting perspective easily bracket out, comma, originality in bracket conceiving something new bracket out, and elaboration in bracket building on others idea bracket out. Innovation means creation of something new, comma, unique, which is an improved version of the existing idea and is distinctive full stop para. These skills enables students to bring out new ideas by brainstorming full stop. They are able to use all the available concepts to create useful ideas and simultaneously improve one's creativity full stop. The students learn how to communicate the new ideas to others full stop para. Collaboration. It is the ability to effectively work together with others full stop. It involves working together, comma, respecting others' needs and perspectives and contributing to and accepting the final outcome full stop. Collaboration broadens the cultural, comma, social and environmental boundaries and help a student to understand social and environmental concerns better full stop para. Communication. It is the ability to express one's opinions, comma, desires, comma, needs, comma, apprehensions oneself appropriately in a verbal and non-verbal manner full stop. Communication skills can be used by the students for a variety of purposes full stop. They are able to effectively disperse their ideas to others as well as listen to others carefully to infer meanings full stop. They are able to use several forms of media and technologies with ease and know their usefulness with the help of good communication skills full stop para. Information skills. These skills involve the ability to access information, comma, media and technology to understand and critically evaluate different aspects of content and information and create and communicate with ease full stop para. With the help of informational skills, students critically access and evaluate information and manage information from a wide variety of sources full stop. They are able to understand the sources of information and understand the issues they face full stop para. Flexibility and adaptability. Flexibility refers to person's ability to change his actions and steps taken by him according to new situation and efficiently facing a difficult situation without compromising on values. Full stop. Adaptability is a person's quality where they can modify or change oneself to suit a new environment. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो चुका है आपका 100+ की स्पीड में डिक्टेशन, और ये 1000 वर्ड्स का जो हमने PDF में टिक किया है ना, उसके एक स्टॉप पहले हमने ख़त्म किया डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। हालांकि ख़त्म वहीं पे हो रहा था, वो 1000 वर्ड्स थोड़ा ज़्यादा थे। तो इसको प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा और बताइएगा कैसी लगी स्पीड बहुत टफ लगती है इन सब मैटर्स में, ठीक है। परेशान मत होइएगा, हाथ चलाइए बस। एग्ज़ाम आपको देना है, सभी के लिए मैटर टफ आएगा, सभी के लिए इजी आएगा अगर आएगा तो, और अच्छे से परफॉर्म करिएगा। कल थोड़ा बिजी हो गए थे इसलिए मैटर नहीं डाल पाया, इसके लिए सॉरी बहुत बहुत, क्योंकि आपके एग्ज़ाम्स लगे हुए हैं RSM SSB और क्या कहते हैं NCLT का। तो इसको बताइएगा, रिव्यू दीजिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते चलिएगा। अब इसमें आउटलाइंस आप लोग इस लेवल पे हैं कि इसकी आउटलाइंस बताना हमें लगता है कि बताने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा खास आउटलाइंस भी नहीं आई थी, और इसको आपको अपनी सहूलियत से ही बनाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। ऐसा आपका लेवल है। और क्या कहते हैं कि कुछ नई चीज़ें बताइएगा जो भी होता है। अभी एग्ज़ाम्स जो लगे हुए हैं उनकी डिक्टेशन हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा फोर्सफुली डाल रहे हैं। बाकी उनकी अगर कभी ऊंच नीच होती है, जैसे पंजाब हरियाणा की या कुछ, तो ये समझिएगा कि 11 12 13 के बाद जो है, मतलब 7 के बाद तो हम डालने लगेंगे कंटिन्यूसली, और 11 12 13 के बाद तो एकदम मतलब चलना शुरू हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो चलिए मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच।